okay. We're laughing a little bit, but anyway, we're recording. Hey, my name's Tammy, and I'm here with Crystal. Hi, Crystal. How are you today?
Hello, Tammy. Hello, everyone.
So we are both stay-at-home moms. My kids are older, and but Crystal's still got some young ones. In fact, Kyler, her one, almost two. No, how old is Kyler?
Yes, he's going
Almost
to be 2 here in May.
two in May.
Yes.
Wow. And I've seen him grow up, and that's the cool part about working with Crystal is I get to see her kiddos because I want small ones like hers. But mine are all grown. But anyway, we've been working together for a couple years now, and what we look for and what this video is about, we look for business opportunities that we can do while we're busy. So I've been a full-time traveler now for going on almost a year. And that was my goal. And so 10 years ago, I came onto this space. I've been able to be top sponsor for several different companies, been able to actually speak on stage, been to no excuses events, things like that. So I really, really love this industry. It's really changed my life and a lot of people's lives. So what we wanted to talk about specifically today, and this is an evergreen video, but we are doing a March Madness for the team. So we're going to be doing Zooms throughout still March, and then into the summer. But what we do is, for example, this is one of our strategies is video marketing. So I've been doing video marketing for quite a while. So Crystal and I thought we'd pop on here, talk a little bit about ourselves, and then also just the reason why we got into this industry. So Crystal, if you wanted to say a few words and why you do love the lifestyle and the freedom that you have because of your businesses.
Yeah, that's the thing is that I do have 5 kids, like Tammy had said. My oldest, she'll be 15 May 1st, and then my youngest will be 2 on May 13th. And then so I've got the other 3 in between there. But when I got out of the brick and mortar businesses, I had 2 of them back nearly 5 years ago. And when I got out of those, I said, for one, I can't do anything but stay at home because I have 5 kids to raise, run after, and everything else. And so I have to be able to work around their schedules, and I'm not going to let my work time get in the interfere with seeing them grow up. And then I was not going to have another boss and or work for a boss because I was a boss before, but work for anybody else because I was like, why should they have the entrepreneurial backgrounds and I put money in their pocket? Why shouldn't I get paid for what I'm worth and what I build up in my business? So that's where I got, with you, Tammy, and we've been working ever since with your automated system that just keeps all of our things that we're into. We have different offers available that are automated. So they are running through all hours of the day if we're working in person or not. It's always working and coming in during the night and everything. And so that's where I can fit it into the nooks and crannies of the day. And with our different offers, we can, not every offer is one size fits all. And so you can't have all your eggs in one basket. That was with me when I had my businesses outside, and Tammy, as well, when you owned businesses, that you have to diversify. And so no matter what, and that's what we do with our offers too. People may say, oh, you just jump around from one thing to the next. No, we're in the same 2 offers. Well, actually 3 with the automated system that we have, but that's just a bonus on top of it all. But you have to be integrated and be open to different people for what they can purchase, what offers they, what kind of money they have to start up. You have to have all those options open because everybody should be able to consider a work from home business for themselves. Money shouldn't be the object of this. Now you can make a lot of money with hard work and everything, but it's your hard work and you're paying yourself. So that's what I just love about working with Tammy, our team, and with this March Madness going on. It's just incredible time to even just go right from March Madness into the summer. It hasn't slowed down for us. No. And, people are wondering what should they do with their stimulus checks and everything else. And if you're going to do anything, invest in yourself, invest in something like this that keeps on giving. Why worry about the next stimulus check, or if your job's going to be there tomorrow, or if you dread Mondays or your boss? You shouldn't have to worry about those things. You can do this part-time, full-time, whatever you like, but you shouldn't have to worry about that. And this is where to inject your money into things like this. We've done all the research, we've been in these, it's there and it's legit. So that
Exactly.
hard work's all done, because Tammy, you can explain that. You always look into companies from front to end.
I do. And the marketing system and the automated system Crystal's talking about is I actually created it myself along with Rick and Rob, and we collaborated, and we wanted it to be so simple for people to understand that there's 3 or 4 steps to getting a business opportunity online and into the World Wide Web as we know it. And we also have advertising resources, which a lot of people are always asking us, how do you market and how do you advertise your business? Well, we do that. And that's how we have massive lists. So this video, maybe you're listening to it on Facebook, YouTube, or even in our lists. And we want people to understand that we do teach and train lead generation. That's one of my specialties, is lead generation. So I love to see the team duplicate. We have big teams. In fact, one of our team is already on the leaderboard for one of the income opportunities that we're involved in. And we can say almost every single, actually 6 out of 10, I counted it yesterday, Crystal, 6 out of 10 of the people on the leaderboard is from our team.
Yes,
and Crystal's right there with me. So I think that's the cool part about it is one of the biggest things is that people do want to know what and who are they working with. So for my marketing system, I'm the owner, and then I have 2 people that help me run it behind the scenes. In fact, Rick has texted me today saying that the new launch is going to be coming. He's working hard on it. But we want people to know that we're transparent. You can talk to us. You can email us. You can message us on Facebook. You can even call or text us. We have our cell phone numbers in our advertising and in our email follow-ups. The other thing is I investigate companies. I usually have 5 requirements of companies and company owners. I want to know who they are. I get them on interviews. I get them on our Zooms, on our weekly Zooms and community Zooms, and my team knows that. So, and Crystal, you did an amazing job with the last one. You asked the questions and she answered them, and we were like, yay, this is amazing. So, but we're really, really fond of teaching and teaching people not only to market, but also assets. And I've been in the financial space for many, many years, my husband and I, and he was a mortgage broker, real estate investor. So I listened and always went to all the events with him. And there's one thing you got to do, especially when I'm going to be 54 this year in July. I'm set to where I can retire, but I like to teach people how to retire and how to create generational wealth. So Crystal mentioned she has 5 kids. I have 2. Both my kids are in to these asset business, and with the 4 quadrants that Robert Kiyosaki talks about, I listened to him too one time live, as you want to make sure that you're a business owner / investor. Those are the 2 quadrants that will actually set you up for life and for wealth. So that's what I wanted to say as well, Crystal. I know we don't have a ton of time. I do appreciate you jumping on here with me. If you do want to get back to either Crystal and I, we will have this on like I said, on our YouTube, on our Facebook, and then you can just request our links, or maybe they're above or below, and you'll get to see exactly what we're doing. And guess what? You could be listening to us at 4 a.m, and our system's going to send you the information automatically, because that's how we have it set up. Isn't that pretty cool, Crystal?
It is. It's the best of both worlds. So.
It is.
Yes. But thanks for having me on today, Tammy.
You're welcome.
And yeah, I look forward to seeing other people on here and getting them all hooked up with us. So
sounds good. Thank you so much, Crystal. And,
okay, thank you.
Make sure everybody, and if you see this on our YouTube channels, please subscribe, ring the bell so you get more notifications as we keep putting up more and more videos on our YouTube. So thanks, everyone.
All right, thank you.
Thanks, Crystal.